Realme Neo7 launches with 7,000 mAh battery, Dimensity 9300 Plus flagship chipset, 6,000 nit display, IP69 protection, and some AI features. The Realme Neo7, a new powerhouse smartphone designed to offer cutting-edge technology and performance at an attractive price point. The first smartphone in Realme's newly minted Neo series is here with the Realme Neo7, and it pairs high-end specs with mid-range pricing. The Realme Neo7 boasts a stunning design featuring a metal star-level deco and flagship-level precision processing technology. The Aries fulcrum design ensures a comfortable grip whether holding the phone horizontally or vertically. The back panel is finely crafted with micro-carving and silver flash technology, contributing to its sleek look. Neo7 is built around a 6.78 inches 8T LTPO OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The BOE-made panel also features 6,000 nits peak local brightness and crystal armor glass protection. Realme also integrated an optical in-display fingerprint scanner. The phone is equipped with a 6,000 nit BOE customized S2 flexible screen, offering a resolution of 2D780x1264 pixels and 1.07 billion colors, ensuring vibrant visuals. Additionally, it features 8T LTPO technology, Game HDR display, and a 2600Hz touch sampling rate for an enhanced gaming experience. The Realme Neo7 features a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 anti-shake main camera paired with an 8-megapixel ultrawide. On the front, there is a 16-megapixel selfie camera. The phone also offers advanced features like AI desmearing, AI illumination, and live photos. The phone also comes equipped with IP69 and IP68 ingress protection for full waterproofing, along with an armored anti-drop structure and crystal armor glass for improved durability. At its core, the Realme Neo7 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, built on a 4nm process. With a CPU clocked up to 3.4 GHz, this chip offers high performance with low power consumption. Realme has focused heavily on gaming, with the inclusion of the GT performance engine, some AI-driven features, and a dedicated gaming mode. The Neo7 supports several gaming enhancements, such as AI God Assist 2.0, real-time strategy for games like Auto Chess Mobile, and a smooth 120 FPS experience for Honor of Kings. The software side is covered by Realme UI 6.0 based on Android 15. Realme's collaboration with Tele has led to the development of a massive 7,000 mAh Titan battery that supports 80-watt smart flash charging, ensuring rapid charging and long-lasting power. The battery is designed to withstand over 1800 charge cycles, maintaining 80% capacity even after extensive use. For context, the recently launched flagship GT7 Pro packs a smaller 6,500 mAh battery. The Neo7 also supports reverse charging, allowing users to share power with other devices. Despite the large battery, the phone maintains a slim profile at just 8.56mm thick. The phone also features Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and a massive 7,700mm square VC heatsink. The 7,000 mAh battery is claimed to last up to 3 days in Realme's internal battery tests. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.